So there are some faculties, departments, research units, separate units containing education centers, and so on and so on. This is totally chaos for SMEs. They don't know about these structures. And the problem is that, at least in Turku, and at least in universities, I mean these scientific universities, the information is usually organized according to these faculties and according to disciplines. So you really have to know which faculty, which department, which unit is the right place for your question. The other way around, you also have to know, are you looking for a student? Are you looking for researcher or research help? Or are you looking for adult education? Are you looking for continuing education course or open university lectures or in-house training or some development process? Because also these are, information on this is organized differently. So there is a huge amount of information that you have to know before you find the right place. And when we look at inside the university, if you know some company and some friend calls you, do you have tools to look for information inside the university? Not in Turku, at least. And the problem is that at the university you all usually know your own place, your own unit, and your own research topic, and what happens within that topic, or within your project, or within your continuing education course. But you don't know what happens behind the next door. And that's also a problem when we are looking for right answers, or right tools, and right services for the SMEs. If you only know your own research tools, can you provide information on adult education? Or if you only know your adult education course, do you know that in some faculty there is a professor who could make some research activities within this problem? So I hope that you understand that this is quite problematic. So just quickly some points. So we need this knowledge management system, and for us, again, it means networking. So you really have to visit departments after department, university after university, meet professors, researchers, educators, interview what have they done with business, what have they done with SMEs, and try to find out, are they the right persons and in which topic, what are their core competencies, and which problems I can provide information on this person. So it means that you really have to go through the whole university and neighboring universities. So, and now we have find some right persons, some contact persons, but of course this job is still under construction. We also utilize, of course, the existing field or team-specific projects or networks. In Southwest Finland we have a food cluster, ICT Cave, Center for Creative Industries, Tourism Academies, and so on. So they all already collaborate with SMEs in these specific topics, and they have networks for to the university. So if we don't know immediately the right person, we can contact them. And so the single point of contact in the university side. So it's for us it means customer-oriented website. I try to show you it next. And then it means, of course, the contact persons, a network of named contact persons. So as I tried to emphasize previously, we really have to understand that we need to market expertise, competencies, rather than different tools. So you can say that, okay, we know something about marketing, or we are good at material development or biosciences, and go make a statement on that first. And after that, and according to problem, you can think that should we design a continuing education course, or should we make an R&D analysis, or is there some student who could do thesis on the topic? And that's the way how to find answer to entrepreneur's problem. The other main point here is what we have tried to emphasize in Turku is that we really have universities, and we have universities of applied sciences. In Finland, they have different profiles. So universities concentrate more on basic research, and universities of applied sciences, well, more on applied research. But when we work together, when we offer information on both sides, it's I hope it's the customer-oriented approach, and it means that the competencies complete each other's, and this means that SME finds yes answer more often when we can provide options. And it's up to the SME to decide which one is best for him or her. Okay, right, so it's like this. Okay, now it's don't show the whole front page, but anyway, this is our website. So okay, doesn't look so nice here, but anyway, so on the left side you see our task mainly, so the transfer information, create partnerships, and so on. But the main thing maybe is that we have organized information like this. So we have business development, R&D activities, marketing and communication, internationalization, and staff development, and so on. Then if you click here, business development, I don't know why this is like this. Well, anyway, from the left side you find cases, what have been done, and the right side competencies or expertise and services. And again, if you click here, you'll find some information on the core competencies. Or if you take the case, you find short description on the cases. So cases are important because they really certifies your expertise. So a company really trusts you if you can show that, okay, we have done something. Not only theories or books, but if you really have done something with companies, then they maybe believe you. Just shortly, if you go to instructions, we have some instructions. So think a while. So we expect that the entrepreneur thinks what is his problem or idea. Then we help at the beginning. So we look for the right contact person at the university, and if they want, we will be in the in the first meetings between entrepreneur and researcher. Then we emphasize that they have to take care of something. So timing. So we always underline that be on time. And take the contact as early as possible, because you know.